people seem to like repairs, so here's one for you. I got this SOSHINE charger. I got some nickel metal halide batteries. They're AAA. Most of my meters now take AAAs. Some take 2, some take 3. Flashlights take 3. Now this stupid thing, you can charge 2 at a time. I mean, the 2 is the minimum number. You can also do 9-volt batteries. So you have to charge 2 here or 2 there or 4, and all you get is this red LED on it. So I got this, and it didn't work. And well, what do? I mean, you know, got to take it apart. So I did that, and this thing looks like it's from 1980. It's a single-sided board, not plated through holes. So if we get in here real quick, let's see if we can get this focused. Yeah, there's 2 terminals that come up, and evidently it's very weak here, and the solder just broke off. I mean, the pad totally eliminated on this one and this one. And I fixed that, but still didn't work. And I went checking around. I had no voltage over here. This is kind of a rarity. It's just a transistor oscillator. So it's a transistor here, transistor here. It has an opto isolator over here for the regulation. And this sort of free resonates. And I found that this terminal of the transformer well, the transformer is right here. The terminal did not connect with this, so evidently it had gotten hit or something, and I fixed that, and it still didn't work. You know, that was kind of a visual. And so then I tried this one, and that one was broken from here to there. So somewhere this transformer got really hit somewhere. And then, of course, there was a third one. So, yeah, I kept going and going. Now, from looking at this, it really seemed like at the factory that this thing didn't work initially, and they handed it off to some guy to fix. And, you know, with bad connections, you know, you can fool yourself into thinking something's working. And so they sent it off. And putting it back together, I guess they hit the plastic trim pieces somewhere and damaged those. But it's a SOSHINE, and there was this old Italian builder I knew, and he told me you can shine shoes and you can shine cars, but you can't shine shit. And you know, this is really too old of a design. I got another one with a bar graph now, and I can do 1 to 8 cells at one time. None of this having to put 2 cells in series. You know, eventually those get unbalanced, but yeah, China still makes real crap, you know. That's some of the little stuff that's has little problems here and there. This whole circuit board is really crappy. You know, they tried to touch a little solder here or there. You know, this one never got hit. This is real poor quality. But it works now, so yeah. One for the Gipper.